In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote multiple CPA offers using one landing page. And the best part is anyone can do this as long as you have a mobile device and internet connection. And the best part is this is 100% free traffic, so you don't need to spend any money to do this. So as you can see right here, we have this Cash App CPA offer, we have this Shine offer, Amazon offer, and iPhone 15 offer. As you can see, this person is promoting CPA offers on this landing page, and they are doing this through Instagram. And as you can see right here, this is not their own content. As you can see, this is just content they gathered from other people's account and they posted it on their profile, and they are making money. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do everything in today's video. As you can see right here, they have the link in their bio, and I can assure you, after doing this myself, this account is definitely making a lot of money every single day. And the first thing you'll be needing is a CPA account, and you can get that over at cpagrip.com. It's absolutely free. You can register an account and get started with this method today. So once you create your account, all you simply need to do is to come over to where it says offer tools, and you want to click on my offers. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do from here is to type in United States, or you can do this with any other country of your choice. This is going to show you all the CPA offers available in United States. So you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in gift card. So if I scroll down here, as you can see, we have this Chip Tool offer, we have this PayPal offer, and we have this Google Play offer. So what we are going to be doing from here is simple. We are going to be taking this PayPal gift card offer as an example. So you want to then go over to this link, later.com/link in bio. If you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where we will be able to create our landing page. All right. So once you sign up, it's absolutely free. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And if you don't see this page, you want to make sure to click this section that says link in bio, and it's going to bring you to this page. Then you want to come over to the blog section, and this is where you want to edit your profile. And this is where you then want to add in an image like this. And if you don't know how to get this image, all you simply need to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in something like this, gift card logo PNG small size. If you do this, this is going to give you the perfect size that is going to fit your profile, as you can see right here. Then you want to give your profile a name. As for me, I am using claim any gift card below. So once you then do that, you want to then type in something simple like this. Try them all, you may get lucky. Complete all the steps for getting the coupons and vouchers. This is only to let people know that they have to put in the real information so that they can get those gift cards. I hope this makes sense. All right. So once you do this, all you then need to do from here is to click on Save Changes. So once you do that, you then want to come over to the design section, and you can use any of the available themes right here. So for me, I prefer to go with this Celestial theme right here because it's very captivating. So once you select any theme right here, all you simply need to then do from here is to click on Save Changes. Then you want to come back to the blog section. If you come back to the blog section, this is where we want to include the link to our CPA offer. And you want to come over here and you want to scroll down to where it says featured banner, and you want to click on add. If you do this, all you need to do from here is to then click on this section that says upload. All right, so you want to upload an image of that CPA offer. Since we are promoting a PayPal offer, I'm just going to upload this PayPal icon right here. To do that, you can simply go over to Google and type in PayPal logo, and you'll be able to get that icon. So once you do that, you then want to come over to this section, and this is where you want to type in the title of that CPA offer. Okay, so once you type this right here, then you want to come over to this section that says link text, and this is where you want to type in something simple like yes, claim now. And now you can do something more captivating to even increase your conversion rate, and you want to come over to this section that says banner description, and you want to type in 10 units left. Okay, this is only to captivate people's attention, to make them know they need to complete the offer right now. Okay, so once you do this, the final thing is to then add your CPA offer link. And to do that, all you simply need to do is to come back to your Cpagrip account, and you'll be able to copy the CPA offer link. So once you copy the link, all you simply need to do is to paste the link right here. It's that simple, and you want to click on Save Changes. This is all you literally need to do. And now you can even do something more creative to get people to complete as many CPA offers on your page. And that is by coming over to this section that says multi-item banner, and you want to click on add. So once you do that, this is where you will be able to add other CPA offers. And now if you come back to your Cpagrip account, you can see we have a Google Play offer, we have a Visa gift card offer, and we also have a Sprint offer. So you can pick any of these offers right here. As you can see, the payout for these offers are the same. Imagine one person coming over to your page completed 4 CPA offers. You can imagine how much you are going to be making from one person alone. All right, so what you want to do from here is to then click on add, and if you do this, you'll be able to upload an image of that CPA offer. So I'm going to take the Visa offer as an example, and you want to upload the Visa image like this, and you can type in something captivating like this. Do you want a $100 Visa gift card? And now, like I said, you want to come over to the optional section and you want to type in a captivating call to action. You then want to paste in your CPA offer link right here, and you want to click on save. It's that simple. So you then want to repeat this for at least 2 other offers. As you can see, I have added another CPA offer right here. Okay, so now the final thing you want to do here is to change the order and arrangement of these elements. So you want to click on change order. And here you want to make sure the featured banner is at the top, because this is the main offer we are promoting, which is this PayPal offer. While this other offer, we are just putting them right here in case people want to complete multiple offers. So as you can see, each of these offers pays $2.57. And if one person decides to complete all 3 offers, you can see you'll be making $7 from just one person alone. So if you get 20 people a day, you can imagine how much you'll be making in passive income for people just completing CPA offers. And once you do that, this is all you need to do, and you want to click on save changes. All right, so once you click on save changes, as you can see, you are going to see your link at the top right here. So if I open this link in a new tab, as you can see, this is what it's going to look like right here. Once people come over to this page, they are going to see these multiple CPA offers. So once people start clicking on the link in your bio, they'll be brought to this page. And like I showed you, if they complete all the offers, you'll be making money in passive income. So now the final step is creating a USA-based Instagram account so that you can get your traffic from United States, because that is where these offers want conversions from. And I have already created a dedicated video of how to create an Instagram account and how to get content that you're going to be promoting on your Instagram profiles. So I highly recommend to check out the tutorial on your screen right now, as this is going to show you how to do this final step correctly.